to all law aspirant guys. So if you're preparing for these law entrance exams like CLAT, MH LAWCET, SLAT, NLAT, AILET and CULLE, so if you want to improve your current affairs, so this session will be very helpful for you. So I will suggest just continue follow this series, and this is the weekly current affairs session. So from each week we will discuss here most important and expected questions for your exam. So if you will follow the continue this series, so definitely you can improve your current affairs as well as static GK. Okay, now let's see, and one more important information is here for your preparation. So if you want to start your preparations and under the guidance of the expert faculty, so Maneuver is the best option for you. So you can join Maneuver classroom program or live program. So if you're Mumbai based, so these all are the Maneuver centers, so you can call on these number in case of any doubt and query. And for online, 8828581454 if you are out of Mumbai and Maharashtra. Okay, some other program are also there like self-study, mock test and ebook. So you can visit Maneuver website to explore these programs. So link is mentioned in a description, www.maneuveredu.com. So here I will show you, just see here. So you just have to click on a link which is mentioned in a description, or you can type in a browser www.maneuveredu.com and you will see Maneuver website, and you just have to click here law entrance, and you can see all law entrance exams. So as per your preparation you can explore or whatever programs, like for example if I will say you MH LAWCET, so here you can see different type of the program like live, self-study, sectional, mock test and book. If you are preparing for the multiple exams, so you just have to click on all law exams. So as per your preparations, like if you are looking for the self-study program, so you can click on self-study, and if you want to see what are the course content, so just click on view details. Okay, so here you can see course content. It means video lecture, ebooks, mock test, so everything here you can see. So you can just explore, and if you want to join, so you can proceed further. Okay, now let's see important question guys. So now see the first question which is important for your exam. So now see the first question is here, where was the first international Pali conference organized? So guys, this is the first its kind of conference, and this is for the Pali. It means Pali language, which is a very well known language. In this language Mahatma Buddha delivered his first speech. So where this conference was held, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and Thailand. So this is the first its kind of conference, so that's why it's important. So correct answer is Sri Lanka. And here you can see the details. The first international Pali conference was organized in Canada, Sri Lanka by the India's Assistant High Commission in Canada partnership with the University of the Paradena, August 2025. And this is for what? The future of Pali language. So Pali language is very famous, and which was, as I said, कि महात्मा बुद्ध ने फर्स्ट टाइम इसको यूज किया था फॉर द टू स्प्रेड द his religious speech, and जो इनका फर्स्ट सरमन था सारनाथ में, that is also very important for static GK point of view from the current affairs. So sometime you will see the question like where Mahatma Buddha delivered his first sermon. पहला उनका जो फर्स्ट रिलीजियस स्पीच था जो उन्होंने डिलीवर किया था किस प्लेस पे किया था? तो सारनाथ. लैंग्वेज पाली. ओके, नेक्स्ट है इसरो हैज सक्सेसफुली accomplished the first integrated एयर ड्रॉप टेस्ट. देखो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेटेड, एज आई सेड कि डीआरडीओ इसरो से रिलेट करके कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो आपके एग्जाम के लिए मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड होगा, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज रिलेटेड टू साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Demonstration of which of the following? So cryogenic propulsion reactivation system, satellite launch model, recovery system, orbit and docking mechanism, and parachute based deceleration system. So basically this test successfully test is related to what? So correct answer यहाँ पे हो जाएगा parachute based deceleration system. So जब ये गगनयान के लिए बेसिकली इसको टेस्ट किया जा रहा है, सो ये जो यहाँ पे रहेगा इसको जब भी ड्रॉप किया जाएगा एयर से, सो हाउ इट विल रिएक्ट, क्या क्या चीजें प्रॉब्लम हो सकती. सो ऑल द टेस्टिंग डन बाय व्हाट? इसरो. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेटेड एयर ड्रॉप सिस्टम व्हिच इज सक्सेसफुली टेस्टेड बाय द इसरो. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, until which year has the Union Cabinet extended the leading period of the restructured PM Swanidhi scheme? Very important scheme guys. You can expect it from the government scheme point of view in upcoming exam, because लास्ट बजट में जब भी गवर्नमेंट ने मुद्रा स्कीम में मॉडिफिकेशन किया था, उसका जो हाईएस्ट लिमिट था 10 लाख को इंक्रीज करके 20 लाख किया था. सो उस टाइम पे भी मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू मुद्रा स्कीम इज अ वेरी फेमस स्कीम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड द लोन, एंड यहाँ पे स्वनिधि इज ऑल्सो स्कीम टू प्रोवाइड द लोन फॉर द स्ट्रीट वेंडर, राइट। सो यहाँ पे भी इसके स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज किया गया और इसके टेन्योर को थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज किया गया है। सो टिल व्हाट, सो 2027, 28, 29, 2030। सो एज अ गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस न्यूज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 2030। एज वेल एज आई विल सजेस्ट कि यहाँ पे जो इसके अलग अलग स्लैब है उसको भी आप अंडरस्टैंड करो। तो यहाँ पे जैसे पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम, these are the details. First transcript loan raise 50,000, earlier it was 10,000, तो इसमें जो पहले 10,000 की लिमिट थी फॉर द स्ट्रीट वेंडर के लिए वो अभी 15,000 कर दिया गया। सेकेंड यहाँ पे जो है वो 25,000, अर्लियर इज फॉर द 20, एंड थर्ड जो इसका है 50,000 तक का लिमिट है। इतना लोन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा फॉर होम, जो स्ट्रीट वेंडर होते हैं, राइट। इसका फुल फॉर्म भी रिमेंबर कर सकते हो, पीएम स्ट्रीट वेंडर आत्मनिर्भर निधि, विच इज नोन एज द पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फाइनेंशियल स्कीम ऑफ द इंडिया गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड द लोन टू स्टार्ट द such type of businesses. Next important question is the tropical cyclone Kizaki currently impacting the Vietnam derive its name from the Japan. What does the name Kizaki refer to? So note कर लो guys, recent cyclone हो, volcano हो, earthquake हो, whatever such type of the natural incident अगर है, सो उससे रिलेट करके सारे इंफॉर्मेशन अपडेट करोगे, बहुत हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड होता है। स्पेसिफिकली आई विल टॉक अबाउट द साइक्लोन, ठीक है। तो रिसेंट साइक्लोन विच बेसिकली इंपैक्टिंग हिट द वियतनाम एरिया। सो व्हाट इज द नेम, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ खिजाकी? सो वन मोर थिंग यू कैन रिमेंबर, दिस नेम हैज गिवन बाय विच कंट्री? सो जापान। ओके, सो खिजाकी इट मीन्स वर्ड, इस पर फीस और स्वर्ड फीस, एक स्वॉर्ड की तरह फीस होती है, उसके नाम पे इसको बेसिकली रखा गया। तो टाइफून खिजाकी, देखो टाइफून यहाँ पे वर्ड यूज किया गया, यहाँ पे साइक्लोन यूज किया गया। तो साइक्लोन जो हम एज अ इंडियन ओशियन में जो ओशियन स्टॉर्म आते हैं उसको साइक्लोन बोलते हैं, बट जो साउथ चाइना सी में आता है उसी को सेम ओशियन स्टॉर्म को टाइफून बोलते हैं, ठीक है। टाइफून बोल लो, साइक्लोन बोल लो, बोथ आर द सेम थिंग। तो खिजाकी नाम आपको रिमेंबर करना है। हिट एरिया मोस्ट जो इंपैक्टिंग एरिया होगा वियतनाम होगा। दिस नेम हैज गिवन बाय विच कंट्री? जापान। ओके, सो दीज आर द फैक्ट रिलेटेड टू दिस न्यूज। Who popularized the Ganesh Chaturthi as a public celebration in late 19th century? So currently, you know, in Mumbai and Maharashtra, people are celebrating the Ganesh festival. So as a static point of view, this is a very important and popular question. Ki, what is the name of the person who started this celebration? So Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, and Dadabhai Naoroji. What is the name of the personality who popularized and basically you can say who started this festival to celebrate in Maharashtra and Mumbai especially? So correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and these are the details like Lokman Tilak made the Ganesh Chaturthi as a public festival 1893 in the Maharashtra to unite the Hindu against the British colonial rule, promoting the community gathering. Basically this was the purpose. Okay, so currently Mumbai and Maharashtra people are celebrating this festival. So as a static point of view, this question may be expected in your exam, so just try to remember. In August 2025, who assumed charge as the new MD and CEO IndusLand Bank for the 3 years term until August 2028? So this is a very important question related to economy and finance as per the important appointment section. So Sumit Katha Pila, Amitabh Chaudhary, Sandeep Bakshi, and Rajiv Anand. So what is the name of the person who is appointed as the MD and CEO? So sometime you will see in your exams related to appointment of the such type of people related to business GK point of view. So Rajiv Anand is the correct answer. Okay, next question, which Indian weightlifter won the gold in a women's 48 category at the Commonwealth weightlifting championship in Ahmedabad and setting the championship records and securing the direct qualification for the 2026 Glasgow Commonwealth Games? So 26 का जो Commonwealth Game होने वाला है ग्लासगो में होगा 2030 के लिए इंडिया बीट कर रहा है। अगर से इंडिया को मिल गया कंडक्ट करने के लिए कॉमनवेल्थ, तो 2030 का जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम होगा वो इंडिया में होगा, एंड जो मेजर सिटी जो इस स्पोर्ट्स को कंडक्ट करेगा अहमदाबाद गुजरात। ओके, एंड एज पर दिस न्यूज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू 48 कैटेगरी में यहाँ पे जो बेसिकली स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटी उन्होंने गोल्ड मेडल ओन किया है। सो मीराबाई चानू, पायल, सोम्या सुनील दलवी एंड प्रतिस्मा बोई। सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट पर्सन या एथलीट बोल सकते हो, वेट लिफ्टर हु ओन दिस गोल्ड मेडल अंडर द 48 kg कैटेगरी? सो मीराबाई चानू वेल नोन इंडिया के वेट लिफ्टर हैं, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट भी रहे हैं प्रीवियस यू कैन सी 2013, 2017, 2019 में. सो फोर्थ गोल्ड के लिए बेसिकली सिविल पार्टिसिपेट, तो इनके नाम में 13, 17 एंड 19 का गोल्ड मेडल भी है ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम. सो शी इज अ वेल नोन वेट लिफ्टर फ्रॉम इंडिया. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर. Now the next question, and here you can see the options, so not an issue, just try to remember. 26 August 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Maruti Suzuki first battery electric vehicles, which is known as a BEV. What is the name? So this is the battery electric vehicle. So what is the name of this vehicle? So E-Valiant. So these are all the options. So just remember E-Vitra. E-Vitra is the correct answer. So because it's inaugurated by the Prime Minister Modi, so that's why it may be expected in your exam. Okay, next one, who is the author of the newly released book The Praise of Coalition Politics and other essay on Indian democracy? So as a books and writer point of view guys, these questions may be expected because you know one questions आएगा आपके एग्जाम में related to books and writer. Recent जो current affairs में books and writer न्यूज में होते हैं उनसे रिलेट करके वन क्वेश्चन यू विल एक्सपेक्ट. सो एज पर दिस वीक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर. सो राइटर नेम इज व्हाट? मनोज झा, वेरी वेल नोन राज्यसभा मेंबर, एंड राज्यसभा मेंबर MP academic मनोज झा is the author of the book In Praise of the Coalition Politics and other essay on Indian democracy published by the Speaking Tigers. Okay, so just remember the name of the writer and book. Next one, exercise Mathris joint military exercise drill between India and which country? So recent military exercise guys is the most important. So जो भी as per week wise update करते जाओ कि this military exercise between India and which country and what is the venue, कहाँ पे ये conduct हुआ था. So this is the Mathris, is a very famous military exercise. So it's between India and what? Thailand, Japan, Australia and Vietnam. So correct answer is here Thailand, and this is the 14th edition. So also you can remember sometime if your examiner want to make a question little bit difficult, so question may be framed like what is the name or what is the edition of military exercise between India and Vietnam, and name भी mention रहेगा, but आपको simple सा edition पूछ लेगा तो 14th edition आपको remember रखना है. ठीक है. And India and Thailand, it will held in Umroi, Meghalaya from September 1st to 14, 2024. This exercise focus on the sharing the best practice of the tactic, technique and procedures. It will strengthen the operation capability of the joint company level counter terrorism operations. So basically these are the details. So you just have to remember the name of the military exercise. Okay, and where it will held. Next is what is the award money given to individual winner of the National Youth Award 2024. So basically 2024 के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है applications. So जो लोग भी applications अप्लाई करेंगे, so as per this news here I frame the simply this questions like कि what is the award money. Okay, so दो कैटेगरी है, एक तो individual category and second one is the business category. So we will see both category in a description part, but by the way as per the question point of view, just try to understand in individual category what is the amount which will given under this award. Okay, National Youth Award 2024. So 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So correct answer here, just remember here in individual category it is a what? 1 lakh. So Ministry of Youth Affairs Sport has invited the nomination for the National Youth Award 2024 aim to recognize the young individual and organization for their contribution to the national development and social services. By the way, as per individual category just remember 1 lakh, and as per the business category it is a 3 lakh. Okay, so these two amount in related you can say related to this award you can remember. Next one, which country has officially joined the International Big Cat Alliance IBCA August 2025? So Big Cat Alliance is a basically the nation group of a nation which taking the initiative to protect the big cat like lion, tiger, jaguar. Okay, so and this initiative was started by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, I think 2022 mein. So what is the name of the new member which joined this new International Big Cat Alliance? So correct answer is Nepal. So Nepal is joined the International Big Cat Alliance IBCA, and India lead the global initiative to protect the 7 species of big cats. So here you can remember August 24-25 Nepal landscape hosted the snow leopard, tiger and common leopard strengthening a global collaboration. So just remember. Okay, next one, National Sports Day 29 August mark as a birth anniversary of which legendary Indian sport person? So I hope you people are aware. By the way, as an important day point of view, just try to remember this is the most important and expected question in your exam, maybe for your exam. So Kapil Dev, PT Usha, Major Dhyanchand and Milkha Singh. So National Sports Day, which we celebrate on 29 August. So this is the birth anniversary of Major Dhyanchand. And one more important thing here I will add, इंडिया का जो टॉप स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड है, and previously it was known as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and now it is known as what, a Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. So इंडिया का सबसे टॉप लेवल का स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड है. तो this is also one important information which you can remember. And sometime it may be asked like what is the name of the person who is a recipient of first राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड या फिर मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड, जो कि अभी करंट उसका नाम है. सो अगर कभी स्टैटिकली पूछ लिया फर्स्ट नेम किसका है, सो इंडिया के वेल नोन ग्रैंड मास्टर हैं विश्वनाथ आनंद. सो उनको मिला था 1991 में. सो ही वाज द फर्स्ट रेसिपिएंट ऑफ दिस स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड. तो इन्हीं के नाम पे, मेजर ध्यानचंद के नाम पे रखा गया है स्पोर्ट्स डे. सो इनके बर्थ एनिवर्सरी को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एज अ नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे 29 अगस्त. ओके, next, which state government will launch the no helmet no fuel road safety campaign in September 2025? So Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. So what is the name of the state? So just remember it's Uttar Pradesh. So this is a very great initiative. So as this initiative point of view, just you can remember the name of the state, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next is what, which team won the Durand Cup 2025? So Durand Cup is a very important sports event. एशिया का सबसे oldest football event है. So यहाँ पे इस team is a winner. So as per this you can just remember. And also I will suggest, जैसे for example Durand Cup tournament, it's related to which sport? Examiner इस way में भी question आपसे पूछ सकता है. So East Bengal, Jamshedpur FC, North East United FC and Diamond Harbour FC. So Durand Cup, it's related to football. इतना at least remember रखो. And as per the current affairs, the winner team is what? Northeast United States. Okay, so these all are the important questions from the last week, and hope so these questions will be helpful for you. And if you think these questions are helpful for you to improve your current affairs and static GK understanding, so please like the video and continue updates related to exams as well as strategic video for your different exams and preparations. So you can subscribe our channel to get the latest update. Okay, and if you have any additional doubt, any query, any questions, you can ask in a comment. Okay, so see you in next week with latest current affairs. Till the time, just revise and practice guys. Jai Hind.